for any junior lawyers, any associates who have watched this and thought, yeah, I really don't try very many cases. Maybe I've never been in a trial yet. I don't need Lit Suite. What would you say to those people?
I think that if you want to obtain the best settlement possible, if that's the objective, you've got to organize cases as if they're going to trial. Even if you don't go to trial, you'll get your best settlements if you prepare a case as if it's going. Defense. I'm speaking as if I'm talking to plaintiff's lawyer, but hopefully this will. You've got to have a trial mindset. That's what will give you leverage in negotiations and your dealings with other lawyers and defense lawyers in particular.
And one question from me myself, 90% of our customers, Lit Suite users work in Microsoft environments during the day at their law firms. Have you always been a Mac guy, or do you
Oh,
typically
that's a good
also
question.
use PCs at your law firm and in your trial consulting practice?
Right.
And how
So
easy is the transition for someone who maybe isn't so familiar with Mac?
sure. So I have operated within a Mac environment for some time now, but I didn't start that way. I started on a PC. And the thing about the Mac environment, the iOS environment is, it's built towards simplicity. So, I would encourage lawyers that otherwise live in a PC environment, get a get an iPad. They're not expensive at all. They're under $1,000 or a couple $100. They're not expensive. So experiment. Hey, this is your career. This is, should be a place of inspiration and just give it a try. The learning curve is not, it's nothing. I find PCs, frankly, to be a lot harder to work with when I occasionally use them now. So no, I just would encourage folks, give it a try. You'll be surprised how easy it is.